Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming both Chrome and Mac OS are ready. Open Chrome and go to the three-dot menu, then Help About Google Chrome to trigger the update check. While that runs, make sure your Mac is on a stable network and check Apple menu about this Mac to ensure compatibility. Once done, save any unsaved work and bookmark important tabs. This prevents lost state if a restart is required. When Chrome finds an update, it usually downloads in the background and asks you to restart to apply it. Click Restart and let Chrome relaunch. If automatic update fails, you can download the latest installer and perform a manual reinstall by opening the DMG, dragging Chrome into Applications, and agreeing to replace the existing copy. Make sure you keep your profile data. Don't delete the user library folders, so bookmarks and extensions persist. After relaunch, go back to Help About Google Chrome to confirm the new version and that update succeeded. If Chrome still won't update, reboot your Mac and confirm you have sufficient disk space and network access. Then retry the update or manual install. If Chrome behaves oddly after updating, make sure sync is enabled, disable problematic extensions, or create a new profile. This fixes corrupted settings without reinstalling the OS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.